And hello to everyone for today's CX500 build over at Diamond City Cycles in Tampa. Now before today's video starts, I just want to make sure that everyone's aware that you can win this very CX500 by donating $5 I should say, towards the Prostate Cancer Foundation. For every $5 you pledge or enter or donate or anything like that, gives you one entry to win the CX500. You can donate as much money as you want, so if you donate $25 you have 5 entries to win the CX500. Now it goes without saying that all the parts used in this bike were simply taken off the shelf over at Diamond City Cycles. If you want to do the same for your bike as well, simply click the link below and you can have a look at all the parts used. Everything's listed there, all neat and tidy or anything like that. Go ahead, click the link, especially if anything takes your fancy. And today's video is fabricating the electrics tray. Now we are putting in anti-gravity, this 8-cell anti-gravity battery. As a lot of you know, I do like my lithium ion batteries, and it just makes the build a lot easier if you use something small like this. This battery is as light as anything. Smaller than your regular battery as well, and your cranking amps on this is amazing. For the CX500, it's brilliant. In fact, I use this exact battery on the CV750 and it's enough cranking power to actually turn over that massive 750 engine as well. I mean, the CX500 engine really isn't that big, but the CV750, it's a bit of a beast. And this sorts it out, no problem. So with that said, today's video is making a battery tray for that, and also we're going to make a tray for the Rix Electrics regulator rectifier, which is also available from Diamond City Cycles, and a place to house the new M unit. We are going to be using an M unit on this build. We're not going to be featuring in today's episode, but it will be on very soon, so I need to make a room for that as well. Exciting times. So without further ado, here's the video.
Okay, so that electrics tray is already in place now. That's just drying. So that was still a little bit wet when I was putting it in there. That's how much of a rush this build is. And I've got the regulator rectifier tray here. That's all bent and everything, dotted out to line up with my drill holes here. That's going to then be drilled onto there. So I'm going to drill out these holes, fix it in place, drill out those, then it's done. Oh, first of all, I need to actually measure the new RIX regulator rectifier here, which is a new thing. I'm going to put the fins that way actually. Just there. There we go. All done.
And that is all for today's episode, leaving you at kind of a cliffhanger again. I know, I'm sorry, but hopefully you can see the bike progressing each and every week. Next week's video, I think, might actually be starting to paint the bike. I'll see, I'll have to go through my video list and actually see what's what, but I think that next week's video will be the painting of the stuff, which is super exciting as well. You start to see the colour come together. It's going to be seriously cool. So if you like what you see, subscribe to this channel, stay up to date, hit that bell icon, you get notifications when new videos come out with all these bikes here. Follow me on Instagram, visit fabricate.com if you want to buy some merchandise. Well, there's some merch down below here, and also Diamond City Cycles, and please donate that $5 towards a very worthy cause. Until the next video, which will probably be Monday's video now, ride safe, stay safe, and I will see you on Monday.